Tiana Loves Riverdale, back at you with another video. Today, a Riverdale channel, but we're doing slime.
Wait, Tiana, can we sit there and
Special guest. No. Special guest is my very own brother, Alfie.
Guys, you might be wondering, is this our slime and how did we do it in the UK? Well, this isn't actually our slime, this is our friend's slime. She let us have it.
It was first of all just normal clear slime, then I transformed it into Reese's slime.
Guys, look at this.
And guess what?
Literally.
It actually worked. It smells like Reese's.
I cannot make bubbles.
So like, if you don't know Reese's, it's like a peanut butter cup.
And I love peanut butter.
Yeah.
I love Reese's. You don't like Reese's?
I like peanut butter. I like Reese's.
So
yes, today we're going to be playing with it. Maybe do a bit of ASMR along the way. So let's bring the camera down. Alright.
Hang on.
No, just like that.
It needs to be on us as well though.
No, it doesn't.
Okay guys, ready? This is me. I'm on the right, I'm waving my hand now. This is me.
This is my slime.
Tiana's gonna flip our slime in 3, 2, 1. And I'm gonna turn mine so you guys know it's me. Here we go, that's me. Okay, anyway. Guys, you ready? Look at this.
Right, let's go.
Guys, look at this, ready?
Whoa.
Wait guys, can you hear this? Stop for a sec.
Ready?
Tiana, take a side. I want to make a bubble with you, like a giant bubble with this.
No. So guys, I'm going to try and make a bubble. So is Alfie. You can tell it's proper slime. No, this is like the real slime with the glue activator.
Wait, did you actually put that in?
Yeah, just put it in glue and activator. Whoa!
Oh my god, I made the world's worst bubble.
The bubbles are quite hard with this. But yeah.
I can't make bubbles anyway.
So let me just show you what's in it. So it was normal slime, we added
like normal white slime, a bit of makeup.
A bit of makeup into it.
Wait, what did you add? Didn't we add foundation? I think it was.
I did. Because I made it. So
no, we made it.
Me and my friend added some pigments of old makeup.
And me.
And then there was glitter in it already. And then we used fairy liquid, more water, fairy liquid, bunch of water, fairy liquid. I even added a bit of salt. We added some little cake decorations.
There's even some little balls in it.
Fell out. Yeah.
Look at these little balls. Hang on.
We added some Orbeez.
Look at that.
Yeah, these aqua beads or Orbeez.
Whatever you call them.
And then the fun part. So my friend made a chocolate cake, Oreo chocolate cake slime.
And she actually added Oreo cake batter.
No. She added some chocolate spread.
No.
And then
didn't you add Reese or peanut butter?
Then I added peanut butter.
Because like peanut butter is like God.
Yeah. And then
there's hair in it.
I know. Wiggle.
Oh.
Wow.
Guys, comment down below.
Alfie, you gotta show me
whether you have short hair or long hair.
Comment down below what your favourite type of slime is. Fluffy, cloud, mountain, just normal slime, clear slime, metallic slime, Orbeez slime.
Guys, this is actually, you guys can't really see because of the sun. This is actually metallic brown slime, isn't it?
No, it's not metallic.
Well, it was metallic
no,
and then...
it wasn't. Sky had the metallic. So my friend made Oreo chocolate cake one.
Yeah, and our friend...
This started out clear, and my friend's, and this one turned peanut butter colour, but my friend started out purple and turned an Oreo chocolatey colour.
It just looks like Oreos.
It's really good. We were adding hilarious.
Guys, here's a trick to make a bubble. Squash it down as much as you can with your hand, and don't let it stick to you, because just... Oh God. Guys, it's sticking to me.
Guys, this is just the funniest thing ever. This is just half of it. That's Alfie's got the other half. But I did make it.
It's quite big. No, we both made it.
Anyway, so Alfie's the special guest, so I gotta say, make sure to subscribe to his channel.
MrPotter, but I can't really get onto
awesome videos. Well, he has completely awesome videos. And yeah.
Excuse me. Guys, Tiana's videos are so amazing.
Alright, so
Guys, listen to this noise when it lands on the table.
alright guys, so if you've like got slime all over you, see if you've got slime on you, get the slime. The slime.
Let me just.
Hang on.
Let me just.
So say if you've got a bit of slime on the table and so sticky that it can't get off, just use slime to get the slime.
You guys look ready? Look at this. You guys see that slime?
But Alfie will tell you it actually smells like peanut butter.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah.
Smells like Reese's stuff. Guys, look at this. Ready? It's even though this probably.
Whoa! It's so cool if you just stretch it.
Come on, let's make a bubble together with this one.
Right.
Hang on, let me.
Guys, can you just hear that? Be quiet. ASMR time.
Listen. Right, guys, now for a bit of
ASMR.
woo.
Oh.
Yeah, ASMR, guys.
Woo! Alright. Ready?
There's so much hair in this too.
ASMR. We have to get it onto the table. Oh, you do that.
You've got some table cloth. Guys, look, what you gotta do is you gotta make mini bubbles.
Speaking ASMR.
Connected to you.
Yeah.
That was an ASMR fail. Tiana, look at this. Tiana, look.
Hey guys, I made a tiny bubble. You can't see. Look, just there.
Tiana, let's see how big of a bubble we can make together.
Alright guys, now we're gonna make the biggest bubble ever. Hold it, hold it. Stop. Alright. No, I'm just fine.
Okay. Hang on, let me stretch out my side a bit. Yeah. And beautiful! Oh guys, you can't really see it.
You need to be able to go.
Hang on, no, yeah, look.
Just don't put it through that.
There we go.
Yeah. Ready? Go.
Hang on, let me move on.
You
want to start shaking?
Hold it from the edge.
I am.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
One.
Oh! No, the hair!
That hair ruined it. Mr. Hair, how dare you?
Yeah.
Hey guys, this is probably all just going to stick to the tail quickly, so we can just... Oh. Guys, I don't know whether you saw that bubble. My turn. My turn. Stop. My turn. Hang on. Stop. Okay. Yeah, you ready? Hang on. We need to. There we go.
Hang on. Time.
Do it.
Go.
3,
Ready?
2, 1.
Now let's make it by ourselves.
Guys,
Whoever
listen.
can make the biggest bubble wins.
I can't really do it with 2 hands. Can you?
So you can mould it however you want for it to go out. I know exactly how to mould it properly. Guys, Sky taught me how.
Same.
Look, do this.
Or you can literally just do this, Tiana. Okay, so ready?
Make a heart shape.
Ready, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, he failed, boy.
Yeah.
Whoever makes the bubble first, but it has to be a proper one.
Quickly mold it. I would really put
cut.
it down now. Wait there, trying to pause. Hey! And it's got to stay up for
No,
like 3 seconds.
this slime's like, it's got very liquid and water. Yeah, we've had loads.
Oh, I just had that. Did you see?
Yeah, but I did mine first. Right, okay.
Oh, we got a chunk of peanut butter, I think. Is that a chunk of peanut butter?
Yeah, don't eat it, it's been in slime and very liquid.
Okay.
You're right.
What was that? You were just like,
Now we'll do
no.
one with mine. Guys, we're going to do a bubble with mine. Right, then we're going to have to end it.
Hang on, let me see. 10.
This has to be 10 minutes. Ready?
3,
No, stretch yours out more.
3,
Stop.
2, 1.
Oh,
No, you ruined that with your hand.
no, there's a bubble.
Guys, look, let me bring you.
Guys,
Let me bring you
no,
closer.
quickly. Yo, guys, you've got to see how big that is. It's literally half a bubble. It's moving. Hey, it's my part.
What's the bubble work? Anyway, give me my back.
Outro. Okay, grab your spine and stretch it while we do the outro. Alright, guys, Tiana loves with Dale and slime.
We're going to be making a joint channel.